Are you sick of living in Las Vegas and being super hot in the summertime? Or are you thinking about not moving to Las Vegas because you think it's super hot here? Well, guess what? None of that matters when you have a house with a pool, and I have one for sale right now, right here. 1428 Daybreak Road is here for you. I'm going to take you on a quick tour through this home to show you what it's all about. Let's go. As you walk in this super sweet home, you're going to see these vaulted ceilings, which make everything seem way more spacious. And then you're gonna come around into a little dining area into the super cute kitchen. One of my favorite things about this house is this amazing, refreshing pool. I mean, look how big it is. Can you imagine jumping in this summer? Well, I can help you make that happen. So go ahead and just comment below and I'll set up a private tour just for you. I'm Wendy Goss and I'd love to be your real estate boss. All right, so are you, okay, take out the beginning. Voiceover for when you're walking in. 334-1669. No so. That was so good. Were you not recording? Ceilings. Okay, not that one.